Hello and welcome to week 5-6 of the capstone course. In this unit, you will be completing your last paper for the course, and you know what? It's okay to go ahead and give a cheer for that. You've worked hard to get to this point. So the paper that you'll be completing is the Nurse Theory Background and Literature Review paper. And in this paper, you're going to be focusing on gathering information from the literature that's going to guide and inform your project. In this paper, you're going to be determining the levels of the evidence that you've gathered, and you're also going to be examining the quality and credibility of the evidence that you've gathered. Remember, you're disseminating your information out to your units, your colleagues, your places where you work, and you're developing some patient handouts and brochures and that type of information, and you want to ensure that the level of evidence that you're using is high quality and that the information you're using is quality and credible. So that's this piece of the assignment that you're going to be looking at, all related to quality, credibility, and levels of evidence. You're also going to note that you're going to have opportunity to revise your timeline in this assignment. Again, I don't want you to recreate that nice timeline that you did with your project agreement form. Simply take the work that you've already started and highlight or star or underline or bold the things that you've changed on your timeline. I suspect by now there's going to be some revisions to the original timeline that you made, and that's what I want to see here. I want to see your timeline. I want to see that it's a dynamic timeline, that you're using it, that you're updating it as things happen, as you move forward. So again, take those original timelines, anything that's changed on it, highlight, star, bold, underline, use a different colored font, anything that's clear to me as I'm grading it, that you've looked at it, that you've updated it, and you've made some revisions. Also, feel free to delete any things that have already been accomplished if you want to do that too. So the goal is to show me where you're at, what you've done, where you're going, and how you're thinking about your project. Okay, this is an APA paper as always, and that's about all I have for you at this point. So don't hesitate to contact me if any questions come up or if I can assist you in any way, and keep up the good work.